excitement of our students, who are the future.
Learning and nurturing the children, but also teaching them to be happy, safe, inclusive, and be responsible citizens of our community. A program like this, the Inter-School Fest, is going to add another bond.
Oh, boy! What is your name? You can tell us. We are not neighbors, not strangers. Hey, boy! Don't run away. Oh, boy! Come here. Hey! Why do you have this mask on your face? On your legs? On your hands? On your body? You can tell us. We're not strangers, right? Hey, boy! Where are you going? You can't do anything until you tell us about yourself. Oh, God! You know what the problem is? I'm just a child. I too deserve the love of my parents. I have lost my mother, but not my father yet. What will they do? Take my father away from me? Not leave. But at least I love them. My parents did not die yet. So why should I be an orphan then? Oh God, please listen to me. Help me. Tell me what should I do? Maybe something to be. Hey boy, why do you talk so less? Hey boy, what are these marks on your face? On your legs, on your hands, all over your body? You can tell us. We are not strangers, right? Hey, what happened to him? His father used to beat him. Every child knows not how to fight against childhood, right? Hey child, wherever you are, my only message to you is that you too are a sweet child. You too deserve a better life. I wish no one ever gets a life like you, because no child should ever face the struggles that you went through.
That I am unsafe. I will ask for help till the unsafe touch, look, or talk stops. Someone makes me unsafe by showing or talking about private parts, then also I will say no, not them, friend them, talk to helpful adults about it. It is very important to know if someone puts you in an unsafe situation or breaks your personal safety rule. It is not your fault. Remember, it is not your fault. Do you know? To report, let me give you all info. Report to local police, child welfare committee, National Commission for Protection of Child Rights, or call. Today I am going to recite a poem on the topic of digital safety. The title of my poem is Think Before You Claim. Our masoom hearts beat with a tick. We laugh, we sing, we dance.
innocence and trust can lead us to dangers. We may fall prey into the hands of the strangers. Please guide us.
If anyone touches my private parts, that's not good, that's not good. If anyone touches your private parts, that's not good, that's not good. I will say no, 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 I say don't touch me. If anyone touches my private parts, that's not good, that's not good. If anyone touches your private parts, that's not good, that's not good. Daddy gives me a hug and Mama gives me kiss. Daddy gives me hugs and Mama gives me kiss, and I am really happy. If anyone touches my private parts, that's not good, that's not good. If anyone touches my private parts, that's not good, that's not good. I will say no, 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 I will say don't touch me. If anyone touches my private parts, that's not good, that's not good. If anyone touches my private parts, that's not good, that's not good. I'm bad for my teacher, I tap on my cheeks or my brother. I will say that's okay. If anyone touches my private parts, that's not good, that's not good. If anyone touches your private parts, that's not good, that's not good. Namaste.
मैंने 3 कूपन दिया, एक ही ले लेते हैं, दूसरा चक्का ट्राई करते हैं।
Presenting the deal, the man in the house, on his magnificent it's Siliguri!
I'll be coming there as well. I'll be talking to all of you, and I'll be asking a lot of questions to all of you as well. Hi. Okay, good. So I'll give you a quick background. Today we'll talk about food labels, of course. But a lot of you know me through Instagram. आप लोग जानते हो Instagram के through. Now I want you all to get to know the real food farmer. So this is a गया था MBA करने, तो till I was 18 I was in Calcutta। फिर मैं 13 साल के लिए US में था। मैं Wharton में गया, MBA किया, मैं nutrition भी पढ़ा। So I have a background in nutrition, juice बनाओ। If you make a real orange juice, एक हफ्ते में खराब हो जाएगा। पर आप रियल कंपनी का ऑरेंज जूस रखो, एक साल में खराब नहीं होगा। क्यों? इट्स नॉट रियल। घर में ऑरेंज जूस रियल होगा, वो पैकेज रियल जूस रियल नहीं है, इसीलिए वो एक साल चल रहा है। Which is why I say longer the expiry date, the shorter our expiry date. Can I ask this question to anyone in the audience? Can I move there also? Can I walk around? अगर आप लोग कोई जॉब के लिए अप्लाई कर रहे हो, जो अप्लाइंग फॉर अ जॉब, आप लोग की ये क्वालिटीज है, आप लोग अपने रिज्यूमे में क्या लिखते हैं? विच क्वालिटी पे सब अपने आंसर होते हैं? Yeah, if you which qualities, okay, now I can hear myself more clearly. Out there was a very echo, now I can hear myself good. So if you had these qualities, if you had these qualities on your resume, what would you put on your resume? Punctual, polite, reachable, perfect. That is exactly what the packaged food also does. In the front panel, you see polite, punctual, and reachable, perfect. How much mango do you have?
0 mango. 0.